YouTube and welcome to my show. Today I'm gonna change the air filter on my Africa Twin and I want to show you how to do it. The first thing we have to do is to remove the two screws that hold the side panel. So let's crack on with that. Then we are able to remove the side panel, and there's some clips in here, so take it easy when you do it. It is an old bike, so it can be crispy, the side panel. In here we have 3 bolts holding the air filter. You just loosen the 3 bolts with a 10mm wrench, and then you're able to take the old air filter out of the airbox. Here we have it. Here's the air filter. This one is quite old. The new air filter comes in a box, and this is totally new. And if we compare it to the old one, you can actually see the difference. So then it's easy. You just put it back into the airbox, put back the 3 bolts holding the air filter, remember to tighten the bolts. And job done. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll get back to you with some more tips and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel and have a great day. Hey.